Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. So this video I'm going to show you how you can actually find a new coin. I can find a new coin that is yet to be listed on any exchange. I've already recorded a video. If you watch my previous video, I use this coin as an example. This coin here, this night coin. So let's say this coin is a coin that is yet to be listed on let's say on Bybit, because this coin is already listed, but let's say it has not been listed and you have come across it that this coin will be listed soon on Bybit. So how do you buy it? How do you buy it before it is listed? As how do you buy it? So because if any coin want to be listed on any exchange like Bybit, and you are able to position yourself before the coin is listed, so what must you do to earn from this coin? So you are going to come to CoinGecko. You can see I'm in CoinGecko. If you watch my previous video, I've told you how to download this app. So when you come to CoinGecko, so you come to this search bar, click on this search bar. So click on this search bar. So you type night. So I've already searched for it. You can see. So to search for it, just search for it, night. You can see this night. I'm sure that the logo is correct. The logo is correct. So click on it, night. Now when you click on it, you are going to get some information about this coin. Not every coin that is going on any of these centralized exchange are profitable. So you have to do your online research if the coin is worth buying. Again, not all the coins that will be listed in any of the centralized exchange are profitable. So you have to do some online research. Now, I told you in my previous video that how do you know where to buy this coin before it is listed on any of these centralized exchange? So I told that you should come to this one. You should come to this market. So when you come to market, you are going to see where the coins is already trading before you actually buy. You are going to see where the coin is trading. You can see that the coin is trading in a different exchange. Like before it is listed on this, it will be trading. The coin might be trading here. But what you are seeing is centralized exchange. I've told you these are centralized exchange. You can see OKS, Bybit, Bybit, Key.io, Kraken, L Bank. These are centralized exchanges that this coin are already listed. But before it is listed on this centralized exchange, so you have to come and check it here. If the coin is already trading in DEX. DEX is decentralized exchange. So when you come and check it and you see that okay, this coin is already trading here. So how do you position yourself? By what? How do you position yourself? Buying it before what? Before it's listed. So these are decentralized exchange. Now you can see we have PancakeSwap, Uniswap. Now another thing you should look at is before actually buying it here, you come to this info. Come to info. So click on info. If you are gaining value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this. Now, when you click on info, there are some things you have to look at. Look at this info. So you have to look at statistics here. Look at the data of the coin. You can see. Look at the circulating supply of the coin. Total supply of the coin. You can see. The coin circulating supply is 16.6 billion, while total supply is 24 billion. Look at the trading volume. You can see. So look at the market cap. So these are the things you look at. Just look at those data I'm telling you now. Now, if the coin circulating supply is maybe from 1 million to, let's say, 100 million. If the coin circulating supply is between 1 million to 100 million, it's okay. Or 10 million and above, it's okay. So always check if the coin is what, if the coin circulating supply is within this range. Because if the coin circulating supply or total supply is within this range, it tells you that the coin is not in abundance. That is, the coin is not, and is scarce. So that is the total supply. So when the total supply is limited, it means that it will what? It will pump. And you know what determines the price of the coin is the supply. Just like in demand and supply. So when there is when there is a scarcity in a coin or in a product, it makes the price go up. So if there is if a product is in abundant, supply is more than demand, so it makes the price go down. So you can see that this night is supply is what, 16.6 billion, and total supply is 24 billion. Though this coin is still is a good coin. Even if it is 1 billion, it's still a good coin. So let's see the price. Okay, look at it. Look at it. The price. This is the price of the coin. You can see. This is the 24-hour high, 24-hour low. This is all-time high. This all-time high means the highest price of the coin so far. All-time low is the lowest price of the coin so far. All-time lower. So now the coin is, this is a coin contract address under Cardano. This is a coin contract address. I'm going to teach you how to use all these this contract address of the thing. You can see. But let me tell you another thing. So let me go to overview. You can see. So this is the overview. This is the price of the coin. Yeah, you can see. This is the price of the coin. You can see it's 0.09. So this night is a good coin. Why? Despite that, the data supply is was 16 billion. This coin is a good coin. It's a good coin. Why? Because of the price. It's a good coin. You can see that the coin is, in 24 hours, it has gained what, 4.3%. 24 hours, you can see. So this price, so some coin might be even up to 1 billion in total supply, and yet the price will be okay. So just look at the info, and also you can come to overview here and check the price. Check the price. You can see. So these are the things you look at. Or look at the market cap, the supply. You can see. you can see that the news is telling us what is. You can see now. Look at the look at this morning news. You can see I'm recording this video in the morning. You can see they said midnight sustain upward trend. So you can also check the news. You can check the news. You can see. You can check the news to see what is going on about the coin before you buy. So these are the things you are going to check. Check info, check markets, and check this. So when you check those three parts, then you don't have any problem. So by the time you get your information right, then you can now go to what? You can either go to market here. You can come to market here. Come to markets and do what? And buy from the stock exchange. To buy from the stock exchange, if you know how to buy from the stock exchange, you can. I'm going to show you how to do that in my next video. Or you can go to Bybit and buy from there. You can go to that exchange and buy from there if you don't know how to buy from this exchange. But I will still show you how to buy from the exchange. So, or you can either buy from you can buy from the sell exchange or buy from their own website. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to buy from the how to buy from their website or sell exchange. So and how to buy from the centralized exchange, which is Bybit. So now, if you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. And share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.